Hi, I'm Noah Castelo. I teach consumer behavior and I study new technologies in marketing. Today, I'd like to tell you about a recent project exploring the use of large language models like ChatGPT for automating market research. Specifically, this paper is one of the first to show that you can use AI to replace human participants in market research. In other words, instead of asking human consumers about the perceptions of different brands, we showed that market researchers can survey large language models and obtain responses that are very similar to human responses. We focused on the car industry. When a consumer is buying a new car, they usually consider many different brands before making their choice. Marketers are interested in what goes on in consumers' heads during this process. How do they perceive the different brands along various dimensions, and how do those perceptions ultimately influence consumers' choice? Traditionally, market researchers would answer these questions by surveying human consumers. They would ask many different consumers how they perceive different car brands along dimensions like price and quality, and then use that data to generate perceptual maps. Those maps are used to help marketers understand and improve their brand's positioning in the marketplace. We thought that new AI tools like ChatGPT could be used to create these maps instead of relying on human respondents. So we used prompts like this one, instructing the AI to act as if it were a human filling out a survey, and telling us how it perceived various car brands. Then we asked groups of human consumers the same questions so that we could compare the results. We used statistical techniques to calculate the perceived similarity of each car brand to each other brand. These maps show some of the basic results. As you can see, the map of the AI's perceptions is extremely similar to the map of the human's perceptions. For example, both respondents see Ferrari and Lamborghinis being highly similar to each other, but quite different from Honda. Going a bit further, we next asked both AI and groups of humans about which car brands they thought were the sportiest, the most reliable, the most comfortable, and so on. We again found significant overlap between the human and the AI-generated data. Both datasets resulted in similar groupings of brands based on these various factors. We also found that we could ask the AI to adopt different demographic personas, male or female, rich or poor, and so on. And we found that it could do so effectively, allowing us to capture demographic variation in perceptions that maps onto the human data as well. So this paper showed that market researchers can indeed use AI to automate some aspects of their work. The advantages of using AI for market research are that it's cheaper, faster, and easier than surveying human consumers, while still producing valid and reliable results. Thanks for listening.